HRH4. HRH4 stands for histamine H4 receptor. Histamine H4 receptors are GAL5/O protein coupled receptors. H4 receptors are expressed at high levels in the gastrointestinal tract, spleen, thymus, medullary cells, bone marrow, peripheral hemopoietic cells, including eosinophils, basophils, mast cells, T lymphocytes, leukocytes, and dendritic cells. HRH4 expresses in the brain, heart, liver, and lung. H4 receptors have an important role in inflammation, hematopoiesis, and immunity, and their expression is regulated by stimuli such as IFN, TNF-alpha, and IL-6. Activation of this receptor mediates chemotaxis of mast cells and eosinophils, and also controls cytokine release from dendritic and T cells. H4 receptors have a role in the differentiation of myeloblasts and promyelocytes. The molecular function of histamine H4 receptor is histamine binding. The biological processes for HRH4 are inflammatory response, positive regulation of cytosolic calcium ion concentration, sensory perception of chemical stimulus, negative regulation of adenylate cyclase activity, and regulation of MAPK cascade. Drugs that are used for HRH4 dysfunction are amitriptyline, amoxapine, chlorpromazine, clozapine, doxepin, histamine phosphate, loxapine, mianserin, and olanzapine. If you have any concerns about this gene, contact a practitioner who is familiar with epigenetics and nutrigenomics. We hope that you've enjoyed this S&P bit.